All right, to turn on color inversion on your Samsung Galaxy phone, we'll first go to Settings, and then scroll down to Accessibility. From there, you're going to go to Vision Enhancements. And within the Vision Enhancement options, you'll see a toggle for color inversion. Just toggle that on or off, and you're all set. If you think you'll be frequently switching color inversion on and off, you can add a quick and convenient shortcut in your quick settings. So, swipe down from the top right corner. Sometimes, depending on your phone and settings, you may need to swipe down twice to see the full panel. And here, tap that little pencil icon. At the bottom, you can add more controls to your quick settings. So scroll down until you find the accessibility buttons. Once you find them, you'll locate the color inversion button, or any others you might want to add to your quick settings. And then just tap the button to add it. I believe on some Android versions, you'll kind of need to tap, hold, and drag the buttons into your quick settings. Once it's in there, you can even drag it to your preferred position in the panel to make it easier to find. Now that it's in your quick settings, you can just swipe down and tap the button, quickly turning color inversion on or off without having to dig through settings every time. And that is how you turn on color inversion on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Like this video if it provided value, share with a friend, and subscribe for more. Thanks all.